Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and everything is gone. Your savings gone. Your job gone. Your clients gone. You have a phone, a laptop, and Wi-Fi. That is it. What would you do? I've thought about this a lot. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do, step by step, to start making real money online for Nigeria in 2026. Not theory, not motivation, the actual steps, in the actual order. If you've been trying to figure out this whole make money online thing and nothing is clicking, this video is for you. Stay till the end, because step 4 is where most people fail, and I'm going to show you how to get past it. Before we dive in, let me tell you who this video is for. If you've been watching video after video on how to make money online, but you still don't have a clear plan, this is for you. If you tried Fiverr or affiliate marketing or selling something online, but you couldn't get your first sale, this is for you. If you're in Nigeria or anywhere in Africa and you feel like the opportunities people talk about online don't apply to you, this video will change that mindset today. I've been studying what actually works in our market for our people with our payment systems. Not what works in America. What works here, right now, in 2026. Let's get into it. Here is the #1 reason most people fail at making money online. They're trying to do everything. Affiliate marketing, drop shipping, crypto, freelancing, content creation, all at the same time, and they end up doing nothing well. Listen, making money online is simple. Not easy, but simple. You learn one skill. You practice it until you're good enough to help someone. You find that someone and charge them money. You repeat. That's it. That is the entire business model. The problem is people skip steps. They want the money before the skill. That's like trying to withdraw from an account you've never put money into. Today, I'm going to show you how to build the account first. Pick one skill, one platform, one strategy, and stick to it for 30 days. By the end of those 30 days, your life could be completely different. Let's talk about what that one skill should be. Okay, if I was starting from zero today, I would focus on one of 3 skills. These are not random picks. These are the skills with the best combination of low learning curve, high demand in Nigeria and globally, fast path to your first payment. Skill #1, copywriting. Copywriting is writing words that sell. Sales pages, email campaigns, product descriptions, social media ads. Businesses pay a lot of money for good copy because good words directly make them more money. And here's what makes this perfect for beginners. You don't need a certificate. You don't need a portfolio on day one. You just need to learn the formulas, practice them, and show what you can do. I'll link a free resource in the description to get you started. Skill #2, graphic design with Canva. Canva is free. It's drag and drop, and the demand for good-looking graphics has never been higher. Think about it. Every business needs logos, flyers, Instagram posts, pitch decks, YouTube thumbnails. You can learn the basics in 1 week and start offering services by week 2. Real talk. I've seen people charging 30,000 Naira for a single logo design on Canva. No Photoshop, no degree, just skill and confidence. Skill #3, social media management. Nigeria has millions of small businesses. Restaurants, salons, fashion stores, real estate agents. They all need an online presence. Most of them have a page, but don't know what to post or how to grow it. That's where you come in. You manage their pages, create content, reply to comments, run promotions, and you charge a monthly retainer, meaning they pay you every single month. Recurring income from one client. Now, which one should you pick? Pick the one that sounds most interesting to you right now, not the one that sounds most profitable. Interest keeps you consistent when it gets hard. Pick your skill. Got it? Good. Now let me show you exactly how to go from zero to your first payment. So you've picked your skill. Now, how do you learn it without spending money? Step 1, YouTube. Seriously, YouTube is the most underrated university on the planet. There are complete courses on every one of these skills for free. For copywriting, search Alex Catoni Copywriting for Beginners. Her channel is incredible. For Canva, search Canva Tutorial for Beginners 2026, hundreds of results. For social media management, search How to Manage Social Media for Clients. Pick a video over 20 minutes. Step 2. Coursera. Coursera has free courses from Google, Meta, and top universities. You can audit most courses for free, meaning you watch all the lessons without paying. Go to Coursera.org. Search Google Digital Marketing. Enroll. Audit for free. 7 hours of content. Legit certificate at the end if you pay, but the knowledge is free. Step 3. Practice immediately. Don't finish the course before you start practicing. After each lesson, try it. If you're learning copywriting, write one practice ad. If you're learning Canva, design one mock logo for an imaginary brand. If you're learning social media, create a 7-day content calendar for a local business that doesn't exist yet. Do this for 7 days, and you'll have more practical knowledge than someone who spent 3 months still learning. And after 7 days, you need a portfolio. Don't worry, I'll show you how to build one with no experience in the next step. This is where most beginners give up. They finish learning the skill. They feel almost ready, and then they wait. They think, I'm not good enough yet. Let me tell you something honest. That feeling never fully goes away. The people making money online didn't wait until they were ready. They started before they were ready, and they got ready by doing. So here's how I would get my first client, in the exact order. Method 1, Fiverr. Create a gig on Fiverr. Price it low at first, $5 to $15. I know that sounds small, but here's the truth. You're not selling your skill. You're buying reviews. That first review, that first 5-star rating, it unlocks everything. Once you have reviews, you can raise your prices. Your gig title needs one thing, a keyword. Not, I will help your business. That's too vague. Try, I will design a professional Instagram post in Canva. Or, I will write a persuasive product description for your store. Specific, clear, searchable. Method 2, WhatsApp Direct Outreach. This is the one nobody talks about, and it works faster than anything else. Think about the businesses you know personally. Your uncle's restaurant, a friend's fashion store, a church with social media. Message them directly. Say something like, hi name, I notice your Instagram could use more consistency. I'm a social media manager, and I'd love to help you grow. Can I send you a free sample of what your page could look like? Then you create the sample for free in Canva. Send it to them. Most people will be impressed. Some will say yes. And your first client doesn't even need to pay you a lot. You need the experience and the testimonial. Method 3, Facebook groups. Search for Nigerian entrepreneur groups on Facebook. Groups like Nigerian Business Owners Network or Lagos Entrepreneurs. Post a genuine, helpful comment, not a sales pitch. Answer questions. Show your knowledge. Then offer your service when someone posts asking for help. You need your first client within 14 days of starting. Not because you'll be perfect, but because nothing teaches you faster than a real client. Let's talk about money. Specifically, how to actually receive it in Nigeria. This is one of the biggest fears people have. And honestly, it's a solved problem. Option 1, Payoneer. Payoneer gives you a US bank account number and EU bank account details. Fiverr pays directly to Payoneer. Upwork pays directly to Payoneer. You can withdraw to your Nigerian bank account in Naira. Takes 24 to 48 hours. Small fee, but works. Sign up at Payoneer.com. It's free. Verification takes a few days. Set it up before you land your first client. Option 2, Wise. Wise is great if your clients are paying you directly by bank transfer. You get a real UK or EU bank account number. Send money to your Nigerian account through Wise. Option 3, Gray or GigPay. These are Nigerian-built apps made specifically for freelancers like you. Gray gives you a USD, GBP, and Euro account. You can convert and withdraw to your Nigerian Naira account. Very simple to use. I'll link all three in the description. My recommendation for beginners, start with Payoneer. If you're on Fiverr or Upwork, it's the most seamless option. Don't let the payment question be the reason you delay starting. Set it up today. It takes 20 minutes. Okay, let's bring this all together with a clear 30-day plan. Because information without action is just entertainment. I want this to actually change your life. Week 1, Foundation. Pick your one skill. Watch 2 hours of free content on it per day. Set up your Payoneer account. Set up your Fiverr account. That's it. Don't rush. Don't skip. Week 2, Build. Create 3 sample projects. Practice work. Nobody pays you for these. They're for your portfolio. If you're a Canva designer, design 3 logos for imaginary brands. If you're a copywriter, write 3 product descriptions for products you like. Put them in a Google Drive folder or a free Canva portfolio. Then create your Fiverr gig using the keyword tips I gave you. Week 3, Outreach. This is the scary week, the action week. Send 5 outreach messages on WhatsApp per day. Apply to 3 to 5 buyer requests on Fiverr per day. Post value in 2 Facebook groups per week. Week 4, Deliver and Grow. By now, you should have at least 1 client, even if they're paying very little. Deliver your best work. Ask for a review. Then raise your price for the next client. That's 30 days. 1 month. Same amount of time people spend scrolling Instagram with nothing to show for it. I want you to take this seriously. The only person who can change your situation is you. And everything I've shared with you today, it works, but only if you start. If this video helped you, here's what I need you to do right now. Subscribe to this channel. I drop videos every week on real, practical ways to build income online for Nigeria. No fluff, no fake screenshots, just what actually works. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Because in the next video, I'm breaking down 5 specific digital skills that Nigerians are using right now to earn $500 a month. Real examples, real numbers. You don't want to miss that. Also, drop a comment below and tell me, which skill are you going to start with? Copywriting, Canva design, or social media management? I read every comment and I will reply to yours. All the links I mentioned today, Payoneer, Coursera, Gray, they're all in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, the best time to start was last year. The second best time is today.